Hmm. Oh my God. Oh, I was right there. You fuck. Damn, that fucking sucks. What's the next level? Where are we at? We're going all the way up to this fucking upper VWAP band. What are we doing? Maybe. Oh, maybe. 36. So another 7 fucking points. 36. Fucking, I'll add to that position there. Unless this holds. Is that gonna hold? Yo, what up? JJ Jones, Spencer. I know. I fucked up. I've had a chance to. I've been playing the rejection to 34, and I could have gotten out for like a $30 gain on that last one, and it kind of blew through it quick. I had a chance. I had actually two chances. Can you guys hear me good, or should I plug my earbuds in? Kind of talking low because it's late and people are sleeping. But if anything, we're gonna hit this. We're gonna hit if we hit this upper VWAP band, we're definitely gonna reject off of that. For how much, I don't know, but I'm gonna add there. Plus, I'm also up 500. I was up 600, over $600 before this happened, so I'm not sweating it really. I like how people are on right now, though. That's really cool. What's up, everyone? Sometimes I pop the live stream open on at night, and people like one or two people will show up and then they bounce real quick. But you guys are up, so what up? You guys trading too? You guys did degenning over here? I guess I could have. I mean, I could have played the rejection off the 200. That would have gotten me 723 to 2650. I mean, I would have gotten broke. I would have gotten almost taken it, like almost back to break even. Yeah, it's coming. It's gonna. Oh, the 34, the 300 is rejected. You were going short and lost 2K. I'm like, oh my God. Yeah, well, also Tesla's earnings seem to have been good because they were up like 10% after hours. So you got a lot going on, and it's like earnings week. You got a bunch of other, I think Microsoft, a bunch of tech earnings. So we might be just pushing up because of that. Yo, what's up? My friend from Holland. Let me know if these earbuds are back. It's 10 a.m. Yeah, I'm in Vegas. I'm on the West Coast. I'm on Pacific time. So it's almost 1 o'clock for me, JJ. Oh, let's see. I got close, man. I could have, whatever. I'll just wait. I'll just wait this out. 36 is the next area of resistance. I'm just gonna have to wait this out. I'm still in good shape. Like whatever. If I lose another couple $100, I'll be okay. This is my second day of my Apex, not Apex. This is Take Profit Trader. Yeah, I might trade my Apex account. I'm not sure. I'm starting to get tired, but obviously I got to see how this plays out before I do anything else. I bet we come back down to the 34 here and bounce because we're now over the 34. I might, I don't know. I might we're going to bounce off of this 34. Look, we're going to come down here. Maybe I should have gotten filled at the 300 because we're going back to the 34 and we're probably going to fucking bounce off of that shit. This 34, these two lines, one's the teal line, it's kind of hard to see it because they're overlapped. They're kind of right on top of each other now, but the 34 EMA is the teal line. Look, we kind of bounced right there, almost hit it. I bet we do hit it. And then the white line is the 34 SMA. And on the 1 minute, just look at this. Look at all of this rejection from it. You could have just kept playing the rejection and just banking, 5, 6 points at a time, sometimes more. I had this area of support drawn out here, and we kept bouncing off of that, and then we finally dumped below it, hit VWAP, bounced off of VWAP a couple times. I played all that. That's how I'm up, $600, $550 now, or whatever. But this 34, just put this on your chart, the EMA and the SMA, and watch how the price action moves around it. You're going to get a lot of, if you're below it, it's going to serve as a great area of resistance and a lot of rejection there. And then eventually it'll push through like it did here. And then it becomes support. And then you can bank with it as support. Look, here we go. It bounced. We're at the 34 here. It bounced. It's probably going to bounce. I'd be surprised if it blows through it, but I'll be happy at the same time because I need. Oh, there we go. See, so it went through the 34 EMA, hit the 34 SMA, and bounce off of that. And sometimes it'll do the other way around. It'll go through the 34 SMA and then bounce or reject on the 34 EMA. Look at that shit. Look at that fucking bounce. 4 points already. It's probably going to go up higher. Unreal. Wow, we got 5 people on. What's going on? What's going on? Say what's up in the chat. If you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. I stream every day and sometimes at night, but usually during market, regular trading hours. And I post updates on how I'm doing with Apex and Take Profit Trader. Those are the 2 prop firms I am trading with right now. Currently, I plan to add to that, but I'm kind of focused on getting my Apex account. I have 5 funded accounts. I'm working to get those, paid, actually get a withdrawal, for the first time. And then my Take Profit Trader, I came real close one time, so I'm gonna build this back up and get it funded, or they call it pro, and then pull money from them too. That's the name of the game. I finally feel like I got a handle on this stuff. Like, I failed a lot. I wish I could show you my Apex account right now, but I mean I can, but I'm focused on this right now. This Take Profit Trader. I literally have got taken 306 Apex Trader funding evals and about 15 Take Profit Traders. The Take Profit Trader is a little more pricey. Oh shit, it came back for me. Look at this. Oh my God. I'm fucking locking it. Oh my God. Yeah. Holy shit. I'm locking this in. Locking it in. Ooh. That was awesome. You guys seeing this shit? Oh man. Now I'm up $660 on day 2 of my Take Profit Trader test account. Anyway, yeah. So back to Apex. I have taken 306 fucking evals. I've passed 61 of them and have had 61 total funded accounts. I have 5 right now. So that means, and I've never gotten a payout. It means I've nuked 56 total fucking Apex Trader funded accounts. So, fun times. But it's all part. That's my tuition that I paid. We're all going to pay different tuition. I wish it didn't take that many for me to pay, but now I feel like I finally got a handle on things. I'm a more mature trader now. I don't force anything. I literally look for certain things. So, man, no, look, are we going to reject off the 34 now? Here's the 34. This is the 21. That's the 9 EMA. The 21 SMA. I don't really care about the 21. It's there, but I don't make any trading decisions based on it. So, so what do you guys, so Spencer, you're trading with Top Step, right? I think you're still on. You're trading with Top Step because you're calling it a combine. I remember you telling me it was Top Step, right? I'm pretty sure that's what you told me. Oh, look, here we go. 34. Is it going to blow through? Oh, we're in a new hour. That's why we're getting this crazy price action. But typically, it's going to reject from here. Yeah, well, yeah, 2K is not bad on a 150K account. Let me see. Top Step Trader. I think you have like they have a daily loss limit, but you don't get your account taken from you like Take Profit Trader does. All right, so here we go. Maximum loss limit 4,500. All right, so you should be okay. Like I don't know where you've been at. Ugh, I didn't want to do that. I don't care about that. Oh, I'm not going through that shit right now. I just wanted to see. Yeah, that's about this. That's the same. It's the same as an Apex account. You got to get up 9,000. But they give you Apex will let you trade 17 contracts versus the 15. I don't think that really matters. They're just another $10 per point. No, it's another, sorry, $40 per point. Yeah, because it's 17 contracts is $340 per point. 15 is 300. What's up, Greg? No, I'm live right now, bro. I'm live. It's late. Like I'm in my pajamas, bro. Look at this. Look at my pajamas. I'm in my ho 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 Christmas pajamas. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you see, it's live. Look, what is it? Timeanddate.com. So look, it's 10. See, it's Wednesday morning, 105 a.m. That's what it says here on my Mac. Yeah, this is live, my man. Thanks for stopping by and hanging out. Futures firms can be worth it if you develop some rules and strategies and you stick to your game plan and only trade the setups that you know have a higher probability of winning. You don't let emotions get the best of you like I have. Um, like I'm just sticking to my game plan. I'm not doing anything crazy. I'm up $660 in my Take Profit Trader account. Let me stop. Let me show you my Apex accounts. I am going to just bear with me. I'm going to stop sharing my screen so you can't see me log in. All right. Just making sure you can't see me. All right, you can't see my screen right now. Yeah, I think I'm good. All right. I'm logging into my Apex account. 1 1 sec. Let me do this. All right, sharing my screen again. Turning this bad boy back on. Entire screen. All right. I don't know. I don't really mess with Forex. I don't know. I know people. I know there's people out there that kill it with Forex, right? But I don't. I don't do Forex. I just finally figured out how to, trade the NQ effectively. It took me basically 6 months to develop some discipline and some strategies that I know I could count on. All right, so here's my Apex accounts. I have 5 funded accounts. Here's one that's up 1,753 after 4 days. This one's up 1,819 after 4 days. And then these I got on Friday. Well, I passed 3 evals on Friday, and so these have gone through 2 days so far. They're up 6. That's up 612. This one's up 552, and this one is up 759. So, in the last 2 days, I was actually up like, oh, I didn't know that. I haven't even looked at what like true Forex funds. Like, what are the ones that you like? What do you like? Hey, Greg. Yeah, let's not get too excited. I'm excited, but let's not get too excited because I've also, look at this. I'm at 57. Where's 58? I nuked 58 on Friday. So I got 56, 57, 59, 60, and 61. You know what I mean? So, and I haven't gotten a payout yet. So I'm not hoping, but I'm working these to that point. Yeah, Greg, I'm in Vegas. Yep. Born and raised in New York, Long Island, and then I moved out here 4.5 years ago, right before COVID. All right, so look how many times we rejected off the 34. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we finally came back to it. Resistant. Now it's going to act as support for a while. We're gonna, like look here. It was support here. 1, 2, 3. This is the minute chart. 3, 4, and then it finally broke support. Sometimes it goes a lot longer, but I don't know. This was a new hour. We're approaching a new hour, so I think that's why I got lucky. But I was willing to hold and wait until we hit the upper VWAP band right here at 17,736 or 7 or whatever. Yeah, Michael, what's up, man? There's a book, this book right here. One of the best books I've ever read in my life, and I've read a lot of books. Shit, I'm not even like. I'm just trying to go to Amazon. Uh, Outwitting. You ever hear of Napoleon Hill, Think and Grow Rich? That guy. He wrote a book called Outwitting the Devil. You can listen to it also, but the audiobook's pretty good. I don't know which version I have. This is one of the, is he talks about something called um yeah, sorry, I'm reading the chat. Yeah, so yeah, Michael, they call that, the unwavering mindset changes everything. But if you're not, I mean, shit, I should be sleeping right now, but there's something Napoleon Hill calls drifting. And when you're drifting, you're not moving forward, and you're not getting better. It's just drifting along, and just the devil's winning at that point. So you got to outlet. All the devil wants you to do is drift, you know and not and fail, and not basically reach your full potential. So he'll put obstacles in your place to cause you to drift. It's a great book, one of the best books I ever read. So anyway, not to get into personal development stuff. Oh, look at this. Oh my god, I can't hold. Oh, did it just hit VWAP? I fucking missed it. Look, we've got we hit VWAP and we're bouncing. Oh, am I getting another chance here? Oh, I'm taking. Let's look. Oh fuck! Give me this. Give me. All right, we're in. I think we're gonna bounce off of VWAP. If not, then I'll get out. But I have a feeling we will because we did this 1, 2, 3, 4 times so far. Is it gonna? Is it still gonna be holding a support? Let's see. So far, it is. Oh, I bet it goes up to the 34. The 34s and then rejects there. So I'm going to set my sell right at the 30, right below the 34 SMA. Let's see if it gets up that high. But a lot of times I'll move my stop, I'll put a stop in place to lock in gains, and then it fucking always comes back and hits it. Yeah, well, I appreciate the kind words, Michael, but I can't tell you how many times I fucking smoked my accounts trading the overnight. But I kind of got a handle on things. Not kind of. I definitely have more of a handle on things now. Come on, hit the fucking 34. Let's go. Hit the 34. And the only reason I'm trading right now is because I'm up. And I came and I looked, I came down to like turn the dishwasher on and like clean up. Oh, here we go. Hit it. You hitting it? Come on, let's go. Take me out. Oh, let's fucking go. Do it. Come on. Do it. Boom. There it is. Under the 140 bucks. Now I could probably play this short, but I don't know. But that was the bounce off of VWAP. There we go. Is it gonna hold? Look at that. It's resistance for now. See, I had this line drawn. This was a line. This was an area of support that I drew out. Oh fuck. I fucked up that line. Right here. And it literally just hung out. And it's been, it held for a while. It kept bouncing and it finally came back under, but like we wicked underneath a bunch of times. And then we're just kind of hanging out there. But VWAP reigns supreme. Yeah, dude. So anyway, like if there's a couple of things Michael not playing, there's a couple of things I like to I trade. All right. So here's what I like to trade. So notice I don't have any moving averages on here. I don't have any. I have them. But I don't look at them all the time. I almost don't care because when we're hanging out in VWAP, in the VWAP range, all right. So here's the blue line is VWAP, the green line here and the green line here, right? These are both like standard deviations, one standard deviation away from what VWAP is. So they're called, this is the upper VWAP band. This is the lower VWAP band, right? So that's that. And then this right here is a pivot point. And then this, so let me get rid of VWAP, right? Let me hide VWAP. Let me hide, well, the pivot point's all the way up there. But then we have this right here, this red line and green line. This is one indicator. It's the orb. It's the 15-minute opening range breakout. So the first 15 minutes when the market opened, whatever it does in the first 15 minutes, the range is you keep it there, and then what happens is you'll see a lot of price action happen. Like look what happened here. Like whatever it did this thing, and then it bounced off the bottom orb and ran. Basically, well, not ran, but it kind of just worked its way up from 17,665 to 17,745, like 80 points. And it almost hit the pivot point and rejected off it. So I like to trade the orb bounces, like bottom orb bounces, so bounces off of this, rejections off the top orb, and then if it's underneath the orb, I like to play bottom orb rejections. So like let's say it's like way underneath and it finally works its way back up, I like to play rejections. And then the same thing, like if we're above the top orb and we come down and hit the top orb, I like to play a bounce off of that. So there's that. I like to play VWAP, and then and I like to play the upper bands. Look at the upper bands. Like I like playing the upper bands. I like playing the lower bands. And I like to play the pivot point rejections and bounces because those are strong. Those are money. I mean, it's all of these are money. And then on the 1 minute chart, I have a lot. I have my moving averages, and I love to play 34 MA, 34 SMA and EMA. I have both on there, rejections and bounces, because it happens all day. Like sometimes you can't trade the orb. Like right now, I can't trade this orb, but thankfully I have VWAP. And tonight it just so happened that we were hanging. We were actually above all of this, and I was waiting for it to get fall back into the range, and it finally did. I was actually either going to wait for it to get back in the VWAP range or hit the fucking pivot point and reject off of there. Yeah, well, it's not sideways right now. You know what I mean? We got stuff going on. I mean, I guess you could say it's sideways, but I'm up $795. So, you know, I can't go up more than $1,500 though with my Take Profit Trader account. So maybe I'll just, damn, there's 8 people on. What's up, everybody? Seriously, thanks for coming on. This is like almost like during the day. Like the most so far since I started streaming, I peaked at like 19 or 20 was like the most people I had on during the stream during the regular trading hours. This is the most I've ever had at night for sure. Really appreciate it, guys. Oh, look, we're at VWAP again. Are we bouncing here? Look, VWAP. There we go. I missed it. This is crazy. We kind of wicked down below it. I mean, maybe this is not going to hold anymore, and we're going to drop down even further. Oh, I would love for it to drop down here to the upper orb, the top orb. Let's see what's going on here. Nah, we're bouncing. Yeah, I know. Well, with the issue with Take Profit Trader on their, they have it backwards, but I'm cool with it because I'm gonna make sure it plays to my advantage once I get my pro account again. But so with Take Profit Trader, they have a rule on your evals, on your test accounts, that you can't have any one day that's 50% greater than your total profit. So my profit goal for Take Profit Trader, right, on a 50K is 3,000, which means I can't go over, if I want to pass my test at 3,000, obviously it's not going to be right on the money at 3,000, but I don't want to have a day greater than half of 3,000, which is 1,500. So, I'll go up to 1,450, 1,480, and then call it a day. I can stop now, but I'm not going to, because I got to do it for the stream. You know what I mean? I got to do it for the stream. I'm thirsty though. I might have to change. I might have to move into another room. I wasn't expecting anybody to come on, to be honest with you. Do I journal my trades? No, I do not. But now I'm not worried about that. I don't know. I probably should have been journaling my trades early on because it was really bad. But now I literally only trade based on 4 things that are going on. I'm either trading the 34 rejection and bounces, VWAP, including the upper and lower VWAP bands, the orb, and the pivot points. And that's all I fucking do. Notion, yeah. I've heard of Notion. There's another one. I forgot what it's called. There's another big one. What's up, Martin? Martin Kirsch. Weren't you hanging out on the stream earlier today? Or yesterday? So back to Take Profit Trader. So in their consistency rule, their consistency rule is on test accounts, but there's no consistency rule on the pro accounts when you get funded. So I could go up. The only thing they do have is like a profit limit. But let's say I go up $4,000 on day one. I could pull their threshold. Their buffer is 2,000. So if I hit $4,000 on day one, I can request withdrawal, and they'll pay me. I think it's a 90-10 split to start. It's either 90-10 or 80-20, whatever it is, and I'll get paid. But with Apex, there's no consistency rule during your test account, during your, like when you're on an eval, right? But they have a consistency rule for funded accounts, which makes more sense to me. It's 30%. So you can't go up more than 30% of you can't have any day more than 30% of your total profit. I heard it was like a loose rule. It's not like They're not going to like nickel and dime you about it, but you just want to be consistent. But it makes more sense to have a consistency rule on a funded account, because I'm sure there's people that will just go up $20,000 on one trade, just go all in. And with Take Profit Trader, you could do something like that. Well, there'll be profit limits, but I think it's like 5,000 a day for a 50K account. Maybe it's 100, maybe it's 10. I don't know. I was talking to someone about that today. Oh, you're in Austria, man. I got some guys from all over the place. There's dudes in here from. Yeah, I will. I'm gonna stream. I'm gonna stream later for sure. I probably, Greg. I hop on the streams at. Oh, I guess VWAP is holding. We did get underneath it though. Look, but look, here we go. VWAP holding strong. Anyway, I'm all over the place. Yeah, I stream. Usually, since I started streaming, I stream around. What time is that? Like 10, like one. I start streaming anywhere from like 1:30 to 2 p.m. New York time, and I go into close. Yeah, so 1:30, 2 o'clock. I'll pop on the stream, and I'll try. I'll do some G-Gen shit from then until the market closes, and I'll hang out a little bit after, and then I got to make my update videos. So I get off and make my update videos for the day, because I make an update video every day for the prop firms I'm trading, which is currently Apex and Take Profit Trader. No, I'm not going. No, I'm not doing that, bro. There's no way I'm getting up at 5 o'clock in the morning. And the market moves around like freaking banana land around that time. I am not. I am not. Then you'll see, if you want to watch me nuke accounts, then yeah, you want me to get up at 5 in the morning and fucking trade. Now look what we rejected off of. We came all the way back up through VWAP, and we hit the 34 and rejected. Let's see, 1975 to more than 5 points before it started wicking back up. I know it's when the market moves. I've let's just say I've gone full tilt on a bender, nuking accounts, including funded accounts, and when basically pulled an all-nighter and was up during that trading session, and it moves insanely, but it's not for me. I found my sweet spot where how I like to trade, and I don't think that time of day is conducive for my strategies. But yeah, Greg, I'll be around. So yeah, so Martin, you're from Austria, which is awesome. Greg, are you the one that's from Holland? Were you the one who said you were from Holland? Oh no, JJ Jones is from Holland. So we have a dude from Holland. We have a dude from Austria. Where's everybody else from? Spencer, you still around? Where are you from? Michael, where are you from? You're from Asia. Where at? I mean, Asia's huge. Like where? Oh, you're from Michael, Rhode Island. But I live in Alaska. Damn. You know what's funny? I never knew anybody from Alaska in my whole life. I moved to Vegas, right before COVID, 4.5 years ago. I played baseball in a men's league, and I end up on a team with this dude named Larson, and he's from Alaska. And then on the same team, there's a dude. There's like two versions. We have two different teams. Basically, I play on both as like an upper and lower division team version of the teams. And then on the other team is this dude Alex, who's also from Alaska. So I go from not knowing anybody in Alaska, anybody from Alaska in my whole entire life, to knowing two dudes from Alaska, and now you're the third one. Oh shit, no doubt, Spencer. We're in Utah. Yeah, I'm in Henderson. I'm like, so if you're familiar with, obviously, if you, I don't know. Oh, so you were born in Vegas and grew up in Utah, so you might not really know. I'm in Henderson. Like, I could get to the strip in like 15, 20 minutes, depending on traffic. But I just call it Vegas because it's easier for people to say, all right, I know where you are. So here we are with VWAP holding. VWAP's holding. We're kind of consolidating here between VWAP and the 34 MA. I mean, it looks like shit here, but I'm not really too concerned because if VWAP's holding, we're probably going to bounce. But I don't know. We might reject. But I'm not. I'm not. I don't know. I'm waiting to see what happens. How much money do I get? I think. Well, Apex pays. I'll tell you in a second. Apex. I think they pay 15%, which is not a lot, but it can add up. Traderfunding.com. There's their affiliate program. I'm pretty sure anyone could be an affiliate of Apex. So let's see. Yeah, 15%. 15%. So if you want to support the channel, put in my coupon code for Apex. Same thing with Take Profit Trader. Although my coupon code is, if you put zero, if you use, even though it's like my affiliate ID, if you use it as a coupon code, you put ZERODAYJAY in the promo code instead of the one they have on their website. I will get a little bit of a commission, which I appreciate. If you don't, no big deal. I'm cool with it either way. My goal is to not just get commissions as an affiliate from these prop firms. My goal is to make the bulk of my money by getting fucking paid with withdrawals because I'm trading effectively and very consistently profitable. So let me see. Take Profit Trader. Let me do it in here because I think I'm still logged in. Take Profit Trader. I think they pay 15% as well. Well, if I could spell Take Profit Raider. I don't even know where their affiliate shit is. Oh, here he is, right on the menu. Oh, it's anywhere from 10 to 25% based off their lifetime spend. That's pretty cool. Jesus, if they spend. So hey, listen. I mean, Martin. Hey, if you spend, listen, do me a favor. Buy like $8,000 worth of fucking test accounts and pro accounts at Take Profit Trader, and I'll get 20 through my coupon code, and I'll get 25%. Just get. I'm kidding, obviously. Man, I hope if you spend that much money, you getting paid also. Take Profit Trader actually has some cool stuff. They give you points for all the money you spend, and if you pass evals and stuff, they give you points for all that, and your points build up, and you could use the points to like you could use the points towards like you know free test accounts, and even if you have enough points, you can use it towards like a pro upgrade or a pro reset. It's pretty cool that they do that. So Spencer, when I was in Vegas, my family and I lived off the East Coast, east and north side of Vegas. Yeah, I hear the East is still nuts. I know Henderson, bro. It's right before Vegas. Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. So I heard Salt Lake is beautiful. Yeah, I mean Henderson. Yeah, yeah. It's right. Yeah, it's just yeah, it's just east. It's like southeast. So like it's southeast, and then like if I go up if I go up north enough, like on one of the freeways, I'll be back in Vegas. You know, it's like that. It's kind of like in the corner on the bottom corner, the bottom corner. So let's see, Henderson, Nevada. I'll show you on the map. Well, you probably know what I'm talking about. Let's see what's going on. Oh man. All right, so we're under VWAP. What's the next level here? Oh, see? Oh my god, we're getting close to the top orb. Watch this. 17698. We got the top orb and then the lower VWAP band. Watch this. What is that? Is it going to go down that far? 698. Buy. Is it going to hit it? Oh, you fuck. Oh my god, it didn't hit it. It almost hit it. That's so fucked up. Is it going to come back down? And then I'm going to put another order at 95, at 98. Wait, at 96. It's not. Is it going to come? Please come back. Oh my god. Man, don't a PA reset course. Oh my god, yeah, bro. Just use my coupon code, all right? Martin, just use my coupon code. That's so funny. So not playing. Michael not playing. Where did Michael ask? Do you have HDF bias? So I guess that means higher time frame. Yeah. So I'm in here to answer your question, and Greg pretty much answered it to some degree. While I do have the minute, I look at the minute chart here. I guess the biggest I go, oh, what a bounce! I just missed the fill by fucking like I missed it by by 1 point, and it bounced fucking from 99. Look at that, from 99 to, I mean, it's up 10 points already, 11 points. Watch it come back up here. It's gonna go back to VWAP and then reject off of VWAP. What's interesting is VWAP 1575. VWAP is basically where this 34 is on the one. So I look at the 5 a lot. Back to Michael and Greg talking about the higher time frame bias. I look at the 5 and the 15. That's basically where I do most of my chart looking. But like if you look at the 5 and the 15, the orb, the orb, VWAP, and the pivot points don't change. It's not until you get to the hourly where the pivot points change. The pivot points are in different spots. So like there's no pivot points anywhere until 550. From 550, and the next pivot point is 981, and that might change. The reason why they're so spread out on the hourly is because we popped like 350 points yesterday from the bottom. But I use the 15 and the 5, and I look at the queues also. But obviously the queues aren't open right now because we're in the overnight. So, but I'm looking at the 5 and the 15 mostly, and then obviously on TradeAbate the minute, the 1 minute. Those are my time frames. So I don't really have I don't know. And then I just wait. I guess you could say I do have some sort of higher time. Oh my god, I can't believe I missed that by a point. We're talking 14, 15 points now at this point. But it's all right. When it gets up here to this VWAP, I'm gonna play the rejection. Or I might not do anything because I'm up $800. But look at that. I can't believe that happened. It just missed. But look, remember I was talking about the orb? There's a perfect example of a top orb bounce. It just missed. It was right there. It's not always gonna hit it exactly. I should have put my order around here. But man, that would have been another 99 to, another $200. So anyway, but yeah, I guess you could say maybe I do have a higher time frame bias because sometimes it takes a while for the market to move and hit VWAP and the upper VWAP band, the lower VWAP band, or go back to the orb. Like that takes time. It doesn't happen in a minute unless like Jerome Powell comes on The same thing with the pivot point. Like I was looking to play a pivot point rejection, but it didn't quite get up there, so I couldn't. I had to wait until we got back, and I didn't do trade at all during this. I waited until we started dipping way below it, and then went and looked for some support, and then played a bounce off of this a couple of times. We kept basically bouncing back and forth between the upper VWAP band and this area of support that I drew. But you're talking about, some of this stuff took a half hour for it to even develop into something for me to do. And then while all that was happening, I had the 34 EMA and SMA that I like to play rejections and bounces on. That's kind of more, I guess, scalping. If any of that makes sense. It makes sense to me, but I don't know. I'm also all over the place because I'm looking at the chat and I'm trying to answer, and then I'm watching this shit. So got it, Greg. Wow, there's nine people on here. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much. Thanks for stopping by. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe, because I do stream every day during regular trading hours, and I might start streaming at night. Not every day, not every night, because sometimes I'm just going to pass out. But I'll pop on. If I'm in the middle of trading, I'll definitely pop on, and hang out. That's what we do when I'm streaming. We're all just hanging out. Hopefully you guys are taking trades with me or trading based on whatever they like to trade. Yeah, I know. I know. I used to, I don't know if I'm getting, I don't know. I feel really good about how I'm trading right now, like how disciplined I am. Like I'm not worried about it. But ticks rather than the minute chart, I don't even know how to do that. Oh, let me change this. What the fuck is this? I don't even know what I'm scared to mess with it. Let's see what it looks like. All right. It looks the same. I'm going back to the minute. I don't know. It's kind of trippy. I'm not ready for that yet. It just said 100 ticks up here, which is weird. Yeah, I'm trading minis. Greg, I'm trading minis. I don't like trading micros. Although there's definitely a time and a place to trade micros. I just don't like it. If I stream around, I know, Greg. If I know, I can't stream at 5 a.m. There's no way. Like it's 1:40 right now. That's 3 hours from now. I used to like looking at the 3 minute chart a lot, but I kind of just got away from it. No reason in particular. I just like the 1 minute, the 5, and the 15. Here we go. 34. We rejecting off to 34. Looks like it. Where are we? Where are we here? Oh, look. That's VWAP. I'll fucking play this. Watch this. Let's see what happens. Maybe it blows through. Oh, I missed it. Oh, I missed it. No. Yeah, bro. Yeah, because I'm up. I'm up at fucking 1 o'clock in the morning, 1:40 in the morning. I ain't waking up at 5, bro. There's no way. So if you choose 100 ticks, each tick is 100 contacts bought or sold. I don't like market orders, Martin, and I'll tell you why. Right now, it's not really moving around all that much, but I feel if you do a market order, you're kind of chasing it in either direction, and you won't. I can't tell you how many times I used to do market orders, and I would hit buy market, and then while I'm trying to buy it, it fucking fucks me. Like the fill kind of sucks. You lose money on the fill every time, every single time. So I'd rather just put an order in. I mean, there's times when I should have done market fill to still get in the order, but you know what? I just let it play out, and so be it. But if I don't get filled in my spot, then it is what it is. That's just how I like to approach it. I just got tired of, getting fucked out of money every time my market filled. But yeah, I mean, look what happened. We rejected off the 34 SMA and went down from 15, which was actually VWAP also, 15 to 825. That's almost 7 points. We rejected off of VWAP. See, there's VWAP. And very interesting, right? I think that's interesting. All right, so here's Henderson. Here's Vegas, and then here's Henderson. So Henderson is down here. So like I could go up north this way, and I'm in like northeast Vegas. Here's Nellis. I think the racetrack is over here somewhere, but I'm down here. I'm not even here. This is what people consider Hendertucky. I'm over here. I am right around here. This is where I'm at, just south of Green Valley Ranch. I'm in what's considered McDonald Ranch. That's where I'm at. This is like Hendertucky over here. Once you get past like McCullough Hills and Gibson, that's Hendertucky. But I'm over here. I'm like right kind of on the border of Vegas and Henderson. I used to be over here in Seven Hills, and now I'm over here. Anyway, so that's enough of that. That's just me being OD, my scatterbrain. All right, we're back here at the 34 and the VWAP. I'm not gonna. All right, I'm in. Let's see what happens. Does it blow through it? It might blow through it. I don't know. Let's see if we hold. I don't know if we're gonna hold. Uh-oh. Maybe I should have stopped trading. Why is it called Hendertucky? I don't know. That's what people call it out here. Probably because it's kind of like hillbillyish. I don't know. I don't really know, bro. That's what people out here just called it that, because it's not the same as, it's definitely different over there than it is like where I'm at, for sure. Yeah, I get it, Greg. I don't know. Uh-oh. Now we're over. Is it going to hold here? We're basically still. Oh, fuck. Oh, no. Let's see what happens. It does look like it's going to go up more. I'm going to have to wait for the next, like, area. Oh, no, maybe it's coming back down, bro. Come on, let's go. Get the fuck down. Maybe it dumps all the way down to 702.25. Oh, there's 10 people on, man. Thanks, guys. Thank you for hanging out. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, what is this shit? If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. I stream every day during regular trading hours towards the second half of the day, and I'll pop on at night every once in a while if I'm actually up trading. Let me edit this video. I don't like, because I'm using the free version of Restream right now, so it puts this fucking bullshit in here. I'm probably gonna upgrade because I don't like the fact that there's this thing in here all the time, but it's free right now. And then they have it somewhere else. I can deal with the small one here, the little Restream here. I wish I could change that. Can I change it? Yeah, see, I can't get rid of the watermark. So whatever. Oh shit, I'm up $10. Fuck Restream. Oh, I gotta get my bad. I'm not watching the chat because I wanted to change the description. Am I missing something? Oh, I was green for a minute, for a second. Tactical. What's up, Tactical? What are you doing? I'm trading like a degenerate. I was up $800. Now I'm up 747. I think I'm going to be in trouble with this position, but we'll see. I'm hoping VWAP holds, but it doesn't look like. I think VWAP turned into support, flipped from resistance to support. Oh, I see a couple of you guys subscribed. Thank you very much. Welcome. Let's see. Hold on. Come on, please. Please. I mean, I'm cool with whatever happens here. I'm not gonna let myself lose $800, but I'm kind of hoping this is just a little aberration and we come back down. See, look what happened. I missed getting filled on this top orb by a point, and it bounced from 17,699 all the way to, it bounced basically 20 points. Not yet. Not yet, Martin. Not ready to cut it because look. Oh shit. Oh my God, it held. Come on, get. Oh, that was not a good fill. 1450 was not a good fill. Keep going. It's gonna keep going now. Let's go. Fucking dump. Dump. I need water. I'm scared to get up to get water. I don't want it to pop like 40 points while I'm getting water. Come on, baby. What I would like to do, ideally, is get this, like, be done trading take profit trader during the overnight. And then, which I can right now if I wanted to, but I'm not ready to be done because we're all just hanging out. There's 11 people on right now. Awesome. Thanks for stopping by. I really appreciate you guys hanging out with me. I guess it's better than watching whatever bullshit's on Netflix. I don't fucking know. I mean, the Chappelle Show's on Netflix, which is epic and classic. I still laugh at that shit like I just started. Like it's my first time watching it 20 years later. Oh shit, 55, 75. Keep going. Keep going. Should I lock this in? Oh my, yeah. Look at that. Look at that, Martin. Gotta trust the move. Let's lock in some gains here. Oh no. It's gonna hit my take. It's gonna hit this shit. I'm gonna be so pissed. I'm locking in gains here. I moved my stop. Well, I didn't even have a stop. Maybe I got lucky. Keep going. Come hit this shit. Go all the way down to the, dude. It's gonna, hopefully it comes all the way back down to this top orb. Come on, keep going. Keep going. It's probably gonna take me out and then go down to the top orb because that's how it usually, here we go. It's gonna fucking take me out here. Fuck you. Fuck you. Whatever. I got $65. But it was up another 80. Let's see if it goes back to the 34. If it goes back to the 34, I will fucking, yeah. Whoops, now I don't want to buy, I want to sell. Oh, look. Oh, this shit always happens to me. I move my stop to lock in gains, and then it just keeps going further in whatever direction I was trading. There we go. Unfucking real. Happens all the time. That's just another level of maturity I need to make it to. Like I'm not mature enough to hold that and not be worried about it coming back. So I move my stop down and fucking look at that. It's gonna look. I guarantee you, 1702.25. I bet it hits it. I'm gonna close it. I don't want to get filled there because I'm not in anymore. But I bet it hits it at some point. Yes, Greg, 1000%. But it always. I can't tell you because like especially when I'm like trading 5 Apex accounts, there'd be times where if all I had to do, because I like to just trade one at a time and move on to the next one. So there's been times where if all I did was just hold it longer and not let myself get taken out like I did here, because look, now I got taken out at 11.25. I know I'm not going to get all of it, but we're down another 5 points. That's another $100, you know? But there've been times where like if all I had to do was not let myself get taken out by moving my stop, just waiting for the move to materialize, and I could have been done after one trade. I did have that happen. I made a trade yesterday in one of my take profit in my one of my Apex funded accounts, and it was like a VWAP bounce or something, or a lower VWAP band bounce. I don't fucking remember. Look at this. Look at that. Good thing I got my $65. It's down another 8 points. That's another 160 I missed out on. But yeah, if I would have just that trade happened and I was out, I made $400 in one trade and I was done. And then other trades, other accounts, it took me more because I didn't hold the trade long enough. You know, so it pisses me off. Because look, now 11:25, here we go. We're gonna hit the fucking top orb. I am not copy trading at all. Not yet, at least, Greg. Right now, I'm trading one account at a time in my Apex account. My five funded Apex accounts, I trade one at a time. I trade one, I get it in a good spot, and then I move on to the next one. That's how I'm doing it. When I get to the point where I have like 10, you know, and beyond 10, yeah, I'm gonna start putting them in groups of like 3 or 4 or 2. I don't even know. Here we go. Here we go. Back to, oh my God. What was my, there? I would have got taken out. What was my order? Motherfucker. 225. There it is. I would have gotten filled. All I had to do was wait. There was another $180 I missed out on. That would have put me over 1,000. You see what I'm saying? And it's not even the whole move. It's going to go down. It's going to come and hit this top orb. Watch. Here it comes. It's going to basically, here we go. Here we go. Top orb. Fill me. Fill me this time. All right, I'm in. Let's see if it hits the upper VWAP band. If it hits the upper VWAP band, it's going to fill me again. I mean, it might dump. I don't know. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Let's see what happens. Uh-oh. Maybe that was it. It might not bounce again. Maybe it will. Let's see. Oh, God, don't tell me it's going to come down to this 200. That would suck. That's, ugh. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Scary. I have faith in the top orb and the lower VWAP band. Op man, what is up? What are you doing up? Where are you? Where are you? We have someone. We have someone here from. We have someone in the on the stream from Austria. We have someone on the stream from Holland. I don't know if they're still around. If you're saying good morning, you have to be somewhere. I have not tried Quantower yet. Greg, not yet. Can I use Quantower on a Mac? I'm trading on a Mac. I feel like it has some limitations, but I hate PCs. Come on, let's see if this holds here. Oh, is this going to be resistance now? This is the lower VWAP band. Here's the top orb. Here's the top orb. Are we going to bounce back out of here? Let's see. Well, let's see. I can't imagine it only bouncing off the top orb once. It's got to do it more than once. London. Awesome, man. We got everybody from all corners of the world. We have someone living in Alaska in the chat too, on the stream. Here we go. We're green. We're green. We're green. You guys got a little nervous, didn't you? I'm not gonna lie. I got a little nervous too. Is it gonna hold? Where are we at? Oh, upper top orb. Top orb is, don't be resistance. Top orb. Uh-oh. I was green for a second. Oh no. 9:55. You guys are 8 hours. Oh wait, yeah. I'm thinking when I was in New York, it was 5 or 6, depending on the daylight savings time stuff. But it makes sense. 8 hours because I'm in Vegas. I'm on the West Coast now. Oh, I might be in trouble here. I hope we don't flash dump because I don't want to give away all my gains. I worked hard to get to fucking 855. What are we doing here? It is going to hit this fucking thing. No way. We coming back? Come on, let's come back. Don't tell me that we're in the orb now. Because if we're stuck in the orb, if the top orb is resistance now, we're basically probably going down to the bottom orb. I'm not going to hold that long, obviously, but maybe we get the bounce that we're looking for here. I'll put my order there. Let's go. Get the fuck over that. Get over my order line. Let's go. What's the next? Where we are? What are we doing here? But keep going. If I could get this move, it's $40 a point because I'm in two. That's another $400. I probably will call it a day, but I don't know because I'm a degenerate. Coinheads, what's up, man? You're in Virginia, Columbia. You live in Columbia, the country? I was just watching Narcos. I saw the first season of Narcos with the whole Pablo Escobar thing. It was wild. I used to live in Henderson. Sam something casino. Oh, I don't know. Where in Henderson were you? What part of Henderson? You're from Virginia. You live in Columbia, and you lived in Henderson. You definitely are well traveled, my friend. We have 12 people on the stream right now, including, well, with me it's 13. Really appreciate you guys for hanging out. Just in here being a degenerate. Hopefully the top orb holds. I took a position at the top orb, and then I took another. I took one NQ mini at the top orb, expecting a bounce, and then I had another order in at the upper VWAP band in case it came there, and then it dipped all the way down here. So I don't know if this is holding now as resistance or if it's support. So this might not be. I don't know. I could have taken, what is that? I could have taken like $80, $100, but I don't know. I just have a feeling we're gonna go up. I'm trusting in my strategies. You can't win every time, although so far my win rate is pretty fucking high. You guys know about this with Tradeovate? You get this little. You know what I got to do? The 34 dipped lower than my order, so I'm gonna put the order here. I'll show you in a second. I just want to. Do I want to lock in gains here? I don't want to. You know what's going to happen. I'm going to fucking. Oh, shit. I should have locked it in. What was I up? Oh, fuck. Anyway, watch this. Check this out. This is something cool about Tradeovate. If you hit this, that little thing, it'll tell you your performance, like today. Is it giving me? Oh, it's not giving me my stats yesterday. Does it not do it with Take Profit Trader? Orders. Is it because I'm trading? Maybe it doesn't if you're in a position. I'll show you with Apex. Watch this. Close that out. So check this out. 56. I'm not even looking at the chart. All right, performance yesterday. Why is it not showing it? That's crazy. Am I logged out? Let me refresh. Am I logged out? I used to be able to see performance. Maybe it doesn't do it on pro accounts. That's weird. I used to be able to look at. Yeah, it's not letting me. What the fuck? Uh-oh. Maybe I should pay attention to what's going on the chart, right? In my trade. I'm not even looking at this shit. See, now I'm gonna have to keep lowering my sell because I have a feeling if it does, we break over this fucking 9 EMA, which I'm confident we will, it's going to reject at the 34, and the 34 is kind of trending down. So I want to make sure that my order is below the 34 just in case it does reject off of it. Samstown. Oh yeah, I do. I have heard of Samstown. Oh, that's why this is doing this. We're on the new hour. I forget sometimes that the new hours are. Anytime that we're in a new hour, it gets kind of volatile. Let's see. Oh yeah, I believe that it will go down, but I think I'm gonna get taken out of this for a night for a decent gain. Uh, 690 is a key level. Yeah, 690. Yeah. Well, yeah, it seems like we have some support there. I just want to get. I guess I could have taken. I mean, am I blowing my opportunities to take profit here? I'm trusting in the top orb, but it might be acting as resistance right now because we kind of fell into the orb. It's just it's just trying to figure out what it wants to do. We're at a new hour. I could have taken profits before, but I didn't. So let's see if it backfires on me. Oh, let's go. Fucking do this. Hit that fucking take me out. Am I locking this in? Am I gonna be a little bitch and lock this in? Or am I gonna ride it to my fucking tape? Ride it to take me out. Oh fuck. I'm such a pussy. It's gonna hit it. If I put the order in to lock in gains and I put my stop right there, it's gonna fucking hit it and then it's gonna fucking go up and take me out. I know it. I fucking know it. It happens to me all the fucking time. Yeah, I guess I could do that. There we go. I don't want just break even, Greg, okay? Fuck break even. Let's go. Keep going. Here we go. I'll take that. I'll take that. That's weird that it didn't fill. What did I put it in as? It got put in as a limit? That's weird. So I got 60 on one. Is this one going to hit it? This one's going to hit it. This one's going to hit it. Let's go. Hit it. It's right there. And what's funny is I have two, so I'll take the rejection off the 34 also if it goes. Come on, let's go. Here it goes. Hey, at least I didn't. Oh, come on, baby. Nope. That sucks. Yeah, I'll move this. I'll move this. I'll move this here or whatever. I'll lock it in. It's gonna hit it. Watch. It's gonna hit it and then it's gonna fucking bounce. Every fucking time. Every time. Oh, maybe it's gonna go back up. Who am I kidding? I know how this plays out. See? And now it's gonna fucking go up. But hey, I got 60 on this one and I got 60 on this one. So another 120 bucks before fees. Now it's going to fucking go up. Top orb, reign supreme. I don't want to have two. This is what I like to do with these 34s. If it blows through a lot of times it'll get over the EMA and then reject off the SMA or vice versa. So, but here we go. It's going to hit it. It's going to hit my fucking take profit, which was, there it goes. I knew it. I told you. I told you. Here we go. Every fucking time. So what order was that? That was a little higher. Oh, here we go. Here's the rejection. We dumping back to the top orb. Where's the top orb at? 98.25. Are we gonna hit this? And we might blow through these. I don't know. Because the top orb, usually get a decent bounce off the top orb. But I'm willing to take a shot. I was up. Maybe I get, oh, it just misfilling me on this. Let's see what happens. Thanks for, uh-oh. Rut-row. It's just gonna keep going. Oh no. Excuse me. Is this 8 gonna hold? Now I'm looking at the moving averages. I don't even really like them. Let me get out of here. Let's see what happens. Let's see. Is the 34 is now going to be support? Or are we going to dump? Get me back to the top orb. Let's go. Top orb. Top orb. Top orb is what? 98.25. $98.50. Oh no. All right. Stays. No, come on. Stays resistance. I should have taken that. Should have taken it. What was that? Just 100. That would have been $100. Uh-oh. This might be my first losing trade of the night. You think so, Greg? I think so too. Bearish below 711. Bullish above if we close above 711 on the 1 minute. What's bearish? I think bearish at 714.75 because that's VWAP. If it gets to VWAP, which is right about at this 105. I would add, if it gets all the way up there, I'll add another one. I'll add another one short, and then I'll be in what, fucking 3? We'll see. I should have taken that. Oh, I think we're going up some more. Oh, maybe not. Oh yeah, dump. Hit that. Hey, take me out over here. Let's go. Oh, boo. There we go. Keep going. See, the spread's also like this. Look at the spread during this time of night. The spread is awful. It's like almost a full point. So even though like it looks like I should be up more, but I'm not. Like if this was regular trading hours and I was getting these moves, I'd probably be up another $200. Do I want to get $60? Kind of want more because I'm greedy as fuck. I'll lock it in. I'll lock it in. Let's see if it hits it though. Keep going. I'd rather get 120. Keep going. I'll lock that in. Fuck it. All right. Works for me. I mean, it's going to dump more always. So I got 50 and 80. I got $130 from that. Here comes my order. What was my order? 98.50? 98.75? Oh, I hit 99.25. 99. Almost would have got filled. I bet it still goes down though, because the top orb is right here. Boom. What am I up? I'm up 1,085. Is this hump day? Hump day? I guess so. Does it count? My eyes are burning. Look, it just hit 98.75. I don't think I would have gotten filled though. It has to go through it. It has to get under that, and now I got filled. And there it is. There it is. I would have gotten filled. See that? Fuck. You see that, guys? Every fucking time. I took baby gains. And then it went down. 98.75 was another 2.5 points. It would have been another $100. I would be done. If I would have just gotten more of all of these trades I made that were great trades, I'd be done right now. But now I got to keep trading because my goal is to get to about 1450, 1480 and be done with my Take Profit Trader test account on day 2. But I'm in great shape. I'm less than $1,300 away from passing. Oh, look. Shocker, we're bouncing off the top orb. I'm not in. Fuck. Let me get back in. Let me get in this shit. Not market filling. Maybe here. Just in case. Oh, order rejected because it's going to blow through it. Oh, maybe I'll get a chance here. Hit it. Fill me. All right, I'm filled. Let's see if it holds. Let's see if support holds here. I'll be right back. I need water. And I got to switch. I want to relocate because I need to turn the dishwasher on. Got to do like my, this thing runs for a while. I forgot to turn it on. But now I got to switch rooms because this thing's going to be loud. And I need a charger. Oh, look, we're up. The fuck? There we go. Yeah, I'm like literally just hanging out in my kitchen. My kitchen. They got this big ass island. That's like my office. That's my office. I don't know if you guys could see that. Now I'm going into another room that's more secluded and quiet. Although there's some droning noise from the fucking refrigerator in here. Plug plug in the charger. Actually, I got to get my other laptop so I can see the chat. Let's lock in some more gains here. Where I really wanted to go all the way back up to this VWAP. That'd be pretty fucking cool. I think it will. Maybe. It looks like it might want to. See, guys, like this orb, this top orb is fucking money. We bounced off of it, what, 3-4 times already? Eventually, it might fall through it, but and you had the lower VWAP here, which is another area, another like layer of support. Look what's happening. The top orb is fucking money. Blowing through the 34s. Look at that. I'll lock it in at the 34 though. Boom. That's cool. 125. Amazing. I'll be right back. I just gotta get my my other laptop. Hold on one sec. Yeah. Op man, I can see why you're bearish because yesterday we ran like 350 fucking points, you know? So it makes sense. And, we kind of rejected and we ran up another 100 something points today, But now look, we hit our heads here and we're down from the top of today, we're down like we went as low as like 50 points. So, but I'm not, I'm just playing I'm playing what the market's giving me. Like, yeah, we dumped, right? But we hit the top orb. The top orb is a strong area of support. So this shit's still going up. Look, oh, I'm missing out on gains again. Shocker. 0350, up another 3 points. I bet this goes up to VWAP. See, I knew it. It's going to hit VWAP, and then VWAP's going to be resistance, and I'm going to go short when we get to VWAP. No, no, I'm not alone. I have a wife and 4 kids and 3 dogs. They're all sleeping. But I'm downstairs. They're all upstairs. But I guess it's kind of loud in the kitchen. But I don't know. Everybody's just fucking sleeping, so I'm not worried. But damn, look at this. Another 5 points that I missed out on. Would I have gotten all of it? No. But if this thing goes up to VWAP, I am. It's going to go up to VWAP. Watch. Man, Greg, I don't give a fuck. they're all. My wife sleeps, pretty good. My kids are like, they sleep with their doors closed in their room, so they don't hear me. And the dishwasher's running, so now that's drowning me out. Yeah, well, you know how many times I fucking nuked accounts trading the overnight, but I didn't have any rules. I didn't, like I'm not chasing anything here. Yeah, shit, I fucking missed out on 6 points, but whatever. I'd be done. But I'm up $1,200 in this test account. Oh, look, watch this. We're gonna bounce. Maybe we bounce off of this. I'll play a bounce here. All right, let's see what happens. I might be wrong, but I think we're gonna bounce off the 34. It doesn't look like we're anywhere special here, but on the 1 minute, we're at the 34. So let's see. Well, let's see what happens. I could be wrong. I mean, whatever. But it's usually a nice area of support for a little while until it becomes resistance, which it looks like that's what we're looking at here. I don't know. And whatever, if what's the worst that happens? It comes back to the top orb and I fucking add 1 at the top orb and play the bounce again. I'll do that. That's the top orb. Uh-oh. Maybe it's not anymore. Let's see. It almost hit the lower VWAP band. Let's see if we bounce here. Can't win them all. Hey, Greg, are you in? Are you in short, Greg? If you're in short, let me get out. Let me get out for a gain, and then you could have it. Hopefully, this will be my last trade. What will make this my last trade? I need to go up. I need to go up like 250 bucks. So 7 points. Boom, right there. That's all I need. 99.50, 7 to 4 is 280. Yeah, I'll be happy with that. That's all I want. That's all I want, Greg. Oh, okay. So you're just all right. Good, good. So you just want to get more gains. You're playing. Yeah. So you played a long game. Like, what time frame are you looking at? Are you playing like the 15-minute and the hourly? Oh man, is this now fucking resistance? I'm trusting in the orb. I could be wrong though. I could be wrong. Because look, we couldn't get back to VWAP, so we might. I don't know. All I want, all I want is to get taken out here, and then I'm done. 15 minutes. Yeah, you just set and forget. So you'll get up and like walk away. That's wild. I don't know. You might be right about this. I might be wrong. This is the last level of support here. What am I in? How many am I in? I got in two. Oh, because I got in one here, the 34, and then I got in another one. I don't want to add a third one. I don't want to completely fuck this trade. All right, lower VWAP band. It's not holding. Wow, look at that. Greg, what a dump. It's like 17 points. Uh-oh. Fuck it. Let's see if we come all the way back up. I don't know. Not looking like it. This is where I usually get into trouble. I take, holy fuck. Like, but whatever. I liked it better when I was up 1200, but no, we're not buying two more here. Yeah, we'll do that. And then 5 times 6 is 300. This might backfire on me. I think it's going to backfire on me. Look, now this upper VWAP band is resistance. It came back up to it, and then it rejected. That's not good. All right. I'm going to have to cut my losses and regroup. Is this going all the way down to the bottom orb? That'd be fucking crazy. I'll cut my losses there. It'll be unfortunate, but you got to be a grown-up about this shit. I mean, hey, what's up, apps and trades? Welcome to the stream. I mean, I'm up. I was up 1200. Now I'm up 750. So whatever happens, like if I get taken out of this trade, like I'm still up. I'll still be up 600 bucks, which sucks. That's an awful fucking trade. Awful. But the top orb didn't hold. It did hold a few times. It held like 3 or 4 times. And the lower VWAP band didn't hold, which that held a couple of times. So, you know, it happens. You just gotta not let the L's, you know, kill your account, not get fucked on the L's. I'm okay with whatever happens with this. I got my stop in place. It's probably gonna stop me out and then fucking bounce because that's That's just how it goes. Let me see what the moving average. Oh, look, see, we're right at the 200. Are we going to bounce on this 200 on the 5? Maybe. It's kind of doing it right now, but I don't know if it's going to hold. Like, we'll see. We will see. Yeah, there's no volume. There's no volume. That's the issue. So it's all fucking a lot of algo shit. 690 seems to be holding. Uh-oh. You spoke too soon. I'm going to get taken out. I'm going to get taken out right here. It's going to take me out. And I'm fine with it. I'll be at peace with that. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, you do run the risk of that when you trade in the overnight, you know, without a doubt. Absent trades. I'm going to get taken out. I have a feeling. That's a shitty one. I shouldn't have added that third one. That kind of sucks, but I'm still it's going to bounce off the 200. And I'm fucking right there. I'm going to get taken out. Here it is. Boom. I knew it. And here's the bounce. Here's the fucking bounce. Fucking told you. I knew it. I fucking knew it. But now, like, we're in like no man's land. So now I'm only up 555. Damn, that was a fucking awful. That was awful. I was up 1200. But it is what it is. Greg, nice call. Did you lock in gains, or you waiting for it to go all the way down to the bottom orb? 4-hour daily time frame. Damn, bro. With prop firms, what's the 4-hour look like? 4-hour. I do like the 4-hour chart. I don't want to zoom out. Let me do it here. NQ 4-hour. Yeah, I mean, you're kind of in the middle of nowhere. Although we're in the orb right now. Oh, look at this fucking bounce. I fucking knew it. I knew it. Let me go back to my 5 minutes. We fucking rejecting off the upper VWAP band. What a bounce. See that? It happens every fucking time. I'll put another cell here. So I trust in my 34s. Right off the 200, we fucking bounced. And we're up 86.75. We hit 95. That's nine times 6 is $540. Whatever, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna get it all back, or some of it back. Keep going. Keep fucking dumping. We rejected off the lower VWAP band, but I didn't take profit, so now it's fucking coming back. That's what I get for not locking in gains. Will I get another opportunity? Oh, that's good. Well, yeah, absent trades. I mean, look at this. You want to? I can't. I've literally nuked, not nuked. Well, yeah, I nuked 50. I'm on. Let me show you my Apex account real quick. I'm on funded account 56, 57, 59, 60, and 61, which means I've nuked 56 of them. I nuked 56. Yeah, I know, Spencer, you're right. I nuked 56 funded accounts. I've also had, I've also taken 306 evals with Apex. So what's 56, 61 divided by 306? My success rate is almost 20%. So I've nuked some accounts myself. uh, how many pay? I haven't gotten a single payout, my friend. Full disclosure here. I don't have nothing to hide. But it took me this long to establish some rules, some hard rules for myself, and to control myself not going full tilt and shit like that. And I think I'm doing a really good job this time around. Like, these are my Apex accounts. Here are my Apex accounts. Like, this is on 56 is on this will be day 5. I'm up $1,753. This is also on day 5 today. I'm up 18, 19. I haven't traded yet in any of these funded accounts yet. These are day 3 now, but through 2 days I'm up 612, 552, and 759. So, normally I would have, even as recently as last week, I would like nuke a fucking funded account a day. It's like such a vicious cycle, nuking accounts and getting them, having to get them back. So fucking annoying. Let me fucking lock this in. Shocker. All right, $50. All right, I got 50 of it back. See if we get to the 34. Yeah, option trades, no payouts. No payouts from Take Profit Traded, no payouts from Apex yet. But I'm getting closer to it. Every fucking nuked account, every fucking nuked eval is getting me closer to getting paid. That's how success and failure works. Every failure is getting you closer to success. It's just taking me a lot more failures than a lot of other people. Oh, look, I got taken out and it's going to drop more. Shocker. See, like, this fucked up trade right here wouldn't have happened if I just held my other trades a little longer a few times. If I would have held my other trades a little longer a few times, I'd be done and I wouldn't even be talking about this account anymore. But no. Look at that. Every fucking time. So I got my little baby $50 and went down another, what? 4 points. That's another $80. Oh my God. I wish I held that. Shocker. What a fucking shocker. We're going to go all the way down to this bottom orb. I just don't know if I'm going to be able to stay up long enough for that to happen. Is this 200 going to be support? Let's see. I hate fucking playing it. Oh, I'm fucking underneath it. Fuck. That was stupid. That was dumb. Let's see if I get lucky enough to fucking get out of this fucking piece of shit trade. Nope. You can tell I'm getting tired. Huh. Go figure. Oh, I wanted that to be a stop. Come on, you fucking cocksucker. It's because there's too much of a spread. I'll lock that in. It's gonna hit my take profit after I get taken out. That's how it usually goes. But I'll lock that in. I don't care. Every fucking time. All right, so we're like nickel and diming our way back. I'm still down 600, almost $600 from where I was. Yeah, that's kind of how I've been doing it on my funded accounts. Like I go up 300-400 bucks, 250, like I'm outie. It really depends on how like the trade goes. Oh, look at me squinting on the screen. I should fucking probably put my glasses on. Wow, look at that dump. So when did I play? 92, 10 points. 10 points from where I got out of that short before. I probably should have went in short again. So if we get down to 65, holy shit. I might back up the truck. Craig, you're a fucking G. I love it. What are you trading? What are you prop firm trading? What prop firm are you working with? Yeah. Is that what it's called? Forex firm? That's not what it's called, is it? Also, like you're on, I think, are you the one that's in the UK? Where's Greg at? Mm, I think you're the one who said you're in the UK. Wait, I am all over. No, you're in Alaska now, right? What? I'm so fucking confused. I think you're in. Are you the one that's in Alaska? You're either in the UK or in Alaska. No, someone else chimed in and said they were from London. Aqua Funded and Blue Guardian. Oh, look at that bounce. See, I don't trust the 9, although the 9 is holding as some resistance right now, but I don't trust it. So I'll wait for it to blow through the 9 and fucking hit the 34, and then I'll go short again. But so far, the 9 is holding. Oh, you're from Asia. You're in Asia right now. Oh, Opman's in London. See, I knew it. I'm one of you guys. So yeah, Opman. When you're hanging out there when I'm streaming during regular trading hours, it's like it's like nighttime for you, right? Right? It's like 8, 9 o'clock for you. Well, that 9 is holding, but so is this 200. Oh, actually, no, we're under the 200 now. Well under the 200. I'm telling you, we get down to 65. I'm fucking going in long, probably with 2 or 3. Yeah. So yeah, it's 10 a.m. for him now. I think he said it was 10 a.m. for him now. So he's 8 out. So when it's 1 o'clock, yeah. So when it's like 1 o'clock, all right. So it's like 6, 7, 8, 9 o'clock when I'm hopping on the stream during regular time. That's cool. That's a cool day though. I like being on the West Coast. Just like it's the market closes at well, it closes at 2 for me, but most of the time I don't trade in the after hours like that last hour. So like 1 o'clock, it's only 1 o'clock for me. I still got the rest of my day. Gotcha. So you basically had your whole day. You've got to do whatever you had to do throughout the day, and then now you're gonna, and then you're up right now with me trading. So you're just a fellow degenerate. Is this 200 gonna hold? Let's see. 34. Let me fill me at this 34. Fill me right now. I'll take I'll take that and that. I don't know. Is it gonna go that high? See, that's why I don't like the 9. You see that? The 9 is fuck the 9. Yo, what is up, X Trader NYC? X Trader X NYC. Thanks for popping in, man. Really appreciate all the comments you leave on my videos and stuff. Glad to see you on the stream. I can't believe how many people are on this thing. I, the peak was like 12, 13 people. Now there's 11. That's a lot for this time. I've never had more than like 4 or 5 on, and like people literally just come and go and bounce and don't really say what's up or anything because they're probably like, "What the fuck is this guy doing?" Yeah, yeah. You and Greg are short. You must use the longer, the bigger, the higher time frames as well. Oh look, 21 is holding strong now. Just get me just hit me on the 34 right here. Whoops, I don't want to buy a stop. I mean, I don't want to go long. I want to go short. I don't think it's going to. Now I'm gonna hang out. It's fucking 3 o'clock already. I'm gonna miss this fucking this bottom orb bounce. I'm gonna miss it. What's M2K? X Trader. M2K. Oh, the Russell. You like trading the Russell? Yeah. Yeah. Op man. I want this short. I'm waiting for the short to come down. Yeah, right here. You said 66, right? That's the lower orb. That's the bottom orb on the fucking NQ. I can't wait for that to hit there because I am fucking probably gonna go in with like 2 or 3. Just waiting. Just gotta wait. I'm not going to sleep until that happens. And then I gotta wake up and take my kid to work at 8 o'clock. Before that, I can see us coming down to that to the lower orb, like right as we hit the new hour, and then on the new hour we fucking bounce. So fucking tired. Whoops. I mean, just in case it comes up here for an odd second. Got my orders in at the 34. I don't think we're gonna get that high though. Well, man, shit. Look at this little this is short. I got my little $50 from it, and now we're down fucking 11 points. Amazing. Let's see. Can we hit this fucking lower orb? Can we hit the bottom orb before I pass out? I was up $1,200 in this Take Profit Trader account. Kind of want to get back to that area. Oh, I took one more trade. I should have just stopped trading. 1,200 is really fucking good. Oh man, watching this shit is like watching paint dry. You need this shit to move a little faster. All I had to do was hold that short from before. I got out at 92. Now it's 13 points lower. I'll get there in terms of being disciplined with that shit. That a boy. Great job, Greg. That must have been a monster. What? How much? How much? How? Share the gains on that trade with the class, please, if you don't mind. Because you said you took it from way up there. You, I mean, you had to have gotten 40, 50 points. Great job, though, Greg. Hopefully you're still on and you'll share the number. I risked 0.5% to gain 1%. Come on, man. What's the dollar amount? Yeah. See, yeah, you have it. I mean, you're locked in. You're locked in. I'm working like I've gotten a lot more discipline, you know, compared to how I was. But you seem like you're totally locked in with what you're doing. You have a certain system in place, and that's all you do is you play your system. And you obviously hold positions much longer because you're trading on the longer time frames. Let me see what the 4 hour looks like. Interesting. Oh, we're getting close to the orb here. 65.25. I'm gonna put one in at 67.50. 67.25. Buy one, and then one at 65.25 right on it. Here we go. We're getting close. We are getting fucking close. This is exciting. I'm getting excited. Bottom orb bounce. I love. Okay. Oh, so you were trading micros? Much risk and small, making quick withdrawals is what kept me in the game. Yeah. Yeah, I definitely learned that I should not be an idiot. All right, so we're bouncing off the bottom orb here. Look at this. It didn't quite hit the bottom orb, but I've had situations where I would have the order right on the line and I wouldn't get filled and it would bounce a fuck ton. So I put an order above it just in case, and look, I'm getting rewarded already. Do I lock in? I'm I'm scared to lock it in here. Give me more. Whatever. Keep going. Just keep going. I wish it came down a little low because I'd be in two always. It never fucking fails. What I get from that? 85 bucks? Oh man, I'll take it again. Let's do this again. Let's do it again. Oh, well, it's a higher low. Is it gonna come back down? I don't know. I kind of don't want to take a long here, but ugh. See, you see, here's another just a perfect example of me not getting all the move. You trade CFDs. What the hell? Yeah, see, I don't know anything about that. CFDs. CFDs. Prop firms. Contracts for differences. Interesting. Come back down. Hit this fucking bottom orb again for me one time for the homies. It's not going to. I got stopped out here. It's going to go up 150,000 points because I got stopped out here. Oh, maybe I get lucky. Here it is. Hit it. Oh, you fuck. You know what? Oh, I knew it was going to bounce there. Fuck it. Fill me. You're not going to fucking fill me. I'm chasing a little bit because I just have a feeling like I just miss getting. Yep. I don't think it's going to come back down. Not for a while. Yo, what's up, Bull Tent? I can't believe how many people came on this thing. Normally it's like crickets at this time. I played the bottom orb bounce, got a little bit, and then it came back and I just missed getting filled. Now I'm not going to get filled. So I'm trying. I kind of feel like I'm chasing, but fuck. It's a lower orb bounce. Yeah, fuck. See, I got filled here. It got like 85 bucks, and then it came back down and just missed filling my order. And now I can't even get filled here because it's just going to keep going up. See that? Amazing. Don't worry. I got 4 points, 4 whole points, but it's up another 6 or 7. So annoying. So pissed. Yeah, I know. Yeah, Greg, I'm definitely not waking up at 5 a.m. though. Stop trying to convince me to do that. That's 2 hours from now. Look at that. Don't worry, I got 4 points. See, I fuck this happens, Greg, man. I gotta be like you. I gotta learn how to hold this shit longer. 71. It's up 9 points from where I got taken out. It's another 180 bucks. I wish I got filled. I wish it came all the way down and hit both of them. Someone's got to carry the boats. You're funny, bro. All right, watch this. Let's see. 34. Are we gonna get some good resistance here at 34 at the 34 if it gets to it? Well, the orb, op man, the orb. Let me go. Let me get on the 15 so I don't have to slide all the way down. So the orb is the opening range breakout. There's a range. So when I go with the 15-minute orb, So in the first 15 minutes, you have your high and your low during that time frame. That's your opening range breakout. And you'll find there's always, like, look what happened. We bounced off the top orb. We bounced off the top orb once, twice, three times, and then we fell back into it. We dumped all the way down. Like, I could have went short here and just rolled this all the way down, like Greg. Greg did. Greg did because he's not a pussy like me, right? And then we bounce at the bottom orb and we're up, we're up 13, 14 points already from the bottom orb. It's different because, like, the volume is lower right now, but I'm hoping that we hit this fucking 34 here so I could go short. I don't know if we're going to. But yeah, a lot of activity around this bottom orb. Look at the bounce. 67 to fucking 81. It's a good move. And during regular trading hours, the moves are even larger and more violent. Makes sense, my man. I would just add it to your chart. Like, if you're using TradingView. Oh no, don't reject. Come on, hit it. You didn't hit it yet. Come on, hit it. If you're using TradingView, it's just a 15-minute orb. You just add it to your chart. I'm pretty sure it's called ORB right here. Orb 15 by Equity Dorai. That's who I'm rolling with. Am I gonna get filled here? Is it gonna blow through this? What are we doing here? Hey, no problem. No problem. Anytime. It's a good one. It's a really good one. Oh, hit it. Fill me. Please. Uh-oh, new hour. New hour. I have a feeling we're going to blow through this. Is that what's going to happen here? Let's see what happens. We rejecting off of this, or we're going to blow through it on the new hour? All right, I'm in. Let's see what happens. In short, from the 34 on the minute, one of my favorite fucking things to trade. Oh, it's getting a little volatile here. You could do it both ways, either on the rejection or the bounce. Let me get some of this, and then I'll get out. I'll carry the boats for Greg, and then Greg will take the rest of take the rest of the move. That was funny, man. I don't trust this 3 o'clock. I don't trust this new hour candle. I'm fucking locking it. Oh fuck. I'm locking it in. There it is. 55. All right, now we can go down 20 points. Here we go. Every fucking time. Don't worry, I got my 2 3/4 points. It's already down. It already went down another 2 points. We coming all the way back to the orb? That'd be amazing. Yeah. Oh my god. Don't worry. I got 2.5 points. And it's down. Oh, new hour. Fill me on. Let's see. Is it gonna keep going? I'm a little worried that it's gonna keep going because this new hour shit. I could see that happening. I could definitely see that happening. That might have been a mistake, but we'll see. We'll see if the 34 holds. You should, though, because you're fucking good, Greg. You're good, man. I just look at it as we're just hanging out. Am I gonna get back all of my little $55 here? Maybe. But I'll play this lower VWAP band. I'll play that. I'll grab another one at this lower VWAP band, which is also the 200. It's a trap. Trading futures. What up? What's up? Where is this at? Yeah, it's because it's a new hour. I fucking that's why it happened. 90. I'll buy it. I'll get another one right there. Let me move this moving average out of the fucking way so I could see. Uh 90.50, 90.75. Oh, being nickel and diming myself. Watch it hits my original order and then rejects. What up, Trading Future? Wow, guys are hanging out. Man, I need to go to sleep at 6 o'clock. I'll be back on later, but I'm staying. I'm gonna hang until I guess this might be my last trade. No, don't say 7-Eleven. Hit this. Hit this. Hit it. Oh, I should have left the other order in. Oh, maybe not. All right, let's see. Lower VWAP band rejection right here. Or is it gonna look? Look at that. It went all the way from the bottom orb. We're almost at the top orb. This lower VWAP band isn't gonna hold. Wow. Captain Price, what's up, man? What's going on? Oh shit. No, I don't know. I'm gonna say one dumb thing. You short maybe too early. You know what? You might be right because the orb is right here at 97.75. I might have to add fucking another one here because like a degenerate. Here comes the degenerate shit. Look at that bounce from the bottom orb, and I got. Don't worry, I got in at the bottom orb, and I got $85. I got 4 points, and it's up. It's up 30 points. If I would have just gotten this whole move, I would be done trading. Yeah. I don't like making small gains. I like making big gains, but I don't fucking hold long enough. Yeah, 12 lots. You're funny, Spencer. I don't think I could do I could only the most I could do is the most I could do and take profit trader with a 50K account is 6. Just fucking hit this fucking top orb already. Take me out of my misery. Hit it. And then reject. That's not gonna hit it. Oh my god. You couldn't film me? You fuck. Whatever. Whatevs. Maybe it does. What am I in? 2? I am in like think with bookmap, YouTube chat mostly usually. Gotcha. Gotcha, gotcha, gotcha. Wow. Globex. I don't know what that is. We coming up. We gonna hit this top orb, or was that the top orb? I literally fucking. I can't believe I canceled that order. Did I? No, that was a different order. I couldn't. It went up to fucking 97 and didn't fill me. I was at 97.25, and it's down. I mean, we're down 7 points from there. Unbelievable. Gotcha. Oh, wow, it came all the way back because we hit the top orb. Well, we just missed hitting the top orb, and now we're rejecting off of it. We're gonna come all the way back down here. That'd be pretty fucking cool. I wish I got filled on that third one. Is this 34 gonna hold? It might. Yep. 34 EMA holding. I don't know for long. Uh, I guess it's. I guess maybe. I don't know. Looks not looking good. Looks like it's holding. What a. I see the 34, man. Amazing. The 34 SMA would be the next one that would have bounced off if it went through. I should have taken. What was that? $40, $80. Was I even up that much? Probably not because of the spread. Well, the spread's getting a little better. But if this was a true rejection off the top orb, I mean, we should. I would think we're going to go a little lower, but whatever. We'll see. Guess not. I guess not. Now the lower VWAP band is going to be support or maybe resistance. Let's see. Hopefully resistance. Yeah, I bet. Yeah. Basically you got that whole orb move. That's fucking awesome. I was in at 667, but I only took it to 7150 knowing it was going to go all the way up. But I fucking raised my stop like a pussy and then tried to get filled here and I didn't get filled back in. And yeah, that sucked because I probably would have been done trading. Nice fucking play though, trading future. At least you have you have some stones to fucking hold your shit longer than me. Let's see what happens here. I'm worried that we're going to blow through this top orb. Waiting on 7-Eleven. Well, I see why you're waiting on 7-Eleven. 680 is not a bad spot. I mean, locking gains. Locking some gains, bro. Keep in mind that was up $1,200 in this account. Let's see if I get filled at the top orb and get a rejection. Again, you're not going to fill me? Oh my God. Yeah. We're approaching that time of day that I don't really want to be trading. See, the new hour fucked me. I should have got out here. That was my opportunity to get out. This is the one. This purple line, by the way, is the 105, which is the 5, the 21 on the 5, the 21, um, the 21 MA on the 5-minute chart. It's the 105 on the 1. All right, let's see what happens here. We're just blowing through this, aren't we? Can we hold at the top here? Nope. Wow. This shit's just gonna keep fucking going. Well, there goes all of my gains. I was up $1,200, fellas. I guess I'll have to do this all over again, or just not trade it anymore for the rest of the day, just because I don't deserve to. Yeah, I know. Well, I was just hoping that I could get this fucking rejection at the top orb, but not happening. We're gonna go all the way up to VWAP. Hey, you're gonna hit your 711 op, man. Yeah, this is brutal. Brutal. Yeah, I know. You're right, Mr. Captain Price. 1000%. That's why I'm trading in this test account right now and not in my fucking. Although I've traded plenty of times in my PAs during the overnight, but I'm just trying to. I just wanted to get this up a little bit more. I wanted to get it. I was at 1200. I wanted to get it to like close to 1500 and then be done. And I should have just stopped at 1200. But that's what happens when you want to make that. You want to make that last trade. Now I'm sitting here fucking myself. On your exit, I see why. That's basically where this 200 is on the one. Op man. Yeah, no sleep until I get it all back. I'm fucking so tired right now. But look how far it has to come back. I don't have it. I don't think it's gonna happen. What's going on? I gave back all my gains. That's what's going on. All of it. Because I don't know when to get out. Because I'm being stupid and I'm fucking tired. I overtraded and I'm fucking exhausted and now I'm paying for it. But whatever. It's just a test account. It's up overall. I just, you know, would like to get out with some semblance of yeah, well, 90, yeah, 98 was where it went. I guess you could say 90. That's the lower VWAP band. It just blew through it. It became support. It flipped from resistance to support, and then it blew through the top orb, which I thought was going to be resistance, and apparently it wasn't. Maybe VWAP's going to be resistance. I guess we'll find out. I bet it won't be though. Like I don't like where this is fucking going. What am I in fucking three? Yep, Greg. Story of my life, and I'm fucking tired. Not always, just right now. This is like some reverting to some old shit that I used to do. I've been very good up until basically this trade. Oh, I'm 1100. I'm not even close. I mean, I'm not even close to it. Although I was up 1200 bucks. Oh, here's the top orb. Is this going to become support now? Probably. Yeah, there's only one thing worse than being wrong is staying wrong. That's all. Hey, op man. Fucking truer words never fucking spoken. Keep dumping. Come down to the 34. Gross. Keep going down. Now the 9 actually is working, holding. So I guess yeah, we were running up the 9 this whole run. Ugh. Yeah, this trade is fucked. I guess I could have gotten out before and had my P&L around 200 bucks. Yeah, I'm not worried. I don't even give a fuck. Yes and no. Sometimes I miss shit because I'm looking at like the chat or whatever. In terms of, do I think the streaming helps? It does, because it does in some ways, because there's some really smart people that are on here talking about where their heads are at. So you know, yeah, there's definitely, obviously I'm not the best trader, but I tell myself every day in every way I'm getting better and better, and I hope one of those ways is trading. I've been getting better. I am getting better every day, but I still do this shit sometimes. It's an eval account, so I'm not. I'm just kind of annoyed right now that I would have been like, I was up 1,200 fucking dollars. I'm so fucking pissed. Here comes fucking VWAP. Where's VWAP at? 710. Fucking getting more. I don't even give a fuck at this point. I'll get in another one or rejected. Why? Oh, because I have this down here. I'll fucking do it. I don't give a fuck. At this point, I don't give a fuck. Yeah, I'm definitely getting better, bull tent. This is just an aberration, but it's annoying. I'm annoyed right now. Now I'm annoyed, so I'm getting a little I get like the emotional side coming in. Like, what'll happen is I do have that $1,100 daily loss limit with fucking Take Profit Trader. I will, if this trade gets worse and worse and worse, like I'll get filled here. If it doesn't work out, if VWAP doesn't hold as resistance, then I'll be done for the day, which sucks, but it is what it is. It is what it is. I didn't want it to be that way because I was up 1,200. Should have just fucking walked away. Yeah, MQ is fucking crazy because the volume's starting to pick up or something. I don't fucking know. Definitely starting to pick up. Yeah, I don't know if I showed you my Apex accounts, Captain Price, but they're all my. I have 5 funded Apex accounts, and they're all up. I haven't traded them yet today. But man, I had to make. It is just like over trading is was the bugaboo. I didn't have to do this. Now I'm fucking. I feel like I'm. I don't know. I don't know. I'm just annoyed right now. Just hit this fucking VWAP already. What an awful trade. So I was up around 8 back. I was up 1,200, then it went down to like under 600, and I got it back to like 7 or 800. Let's see, 277 minus 1040 minus 277. Yes, I was back around 750, 760. VWAP is my last ditch effort on this trade. I'm fucking tired too. Like we're 20 points above where my average fucking fill is. Like that's bad. Yeah, there's a lot of people on here. Hey, what's up, everybody? For the record, and my homies in the chat can verify, I was up $1,200. I just found a way to fuck it up, but it's uh-oh. All right, now I gotta be careful. 10, 4, 4. So 80 times 5 is 400. This is where I'm setting my stop. And that will save me from getting 8 times 6 is 480. Yeah, that'll suck, but is VWAP gonna hold? Yeah. Whatever happens now, if I get stopped out over here, which is the 300 on the one, I'll just have to stop trading for the day, and I'll have to, you know, regroup the next day, which is fine. I don't give a fuck. I'm okay with that. I'll just trade my Apex funded accounts, which are all up. Like this is where they're all at. All right, so 56 is up 1753 through 4 days. I haven't traded yet today. This is day 5 for this. 1800 through 4 days. 600 through 2 days. 550 through 2 days, and 759 through 2 days. So as long as I don't do that, what I'm doing here with fucking Apex, I'll be fine. Mikkel, thanks, man. You feel my pain. Thanks for popping on the stream. I've been on the stream for when did I get on here? A couple hours ago. I should have fucking got out of my. I should have left when I was up $1,200. Oh no, is this holding here? This ain't holding, is it? Don't hold there. Keep going down. Keep going down. Come back down to the top orb. I'll take that. No, no. With Take Profit Trader, you have to make the buffer is 2,000, but I'm not even oh, that sucks. Look at that shit. Wow, we came down, it dropped down here and then it bounced. You can't, they have a consistency rule with their test accounts. You can't go, they don't want you going up more than 50% of your total profit. The profit goal to pass the Take Profit Trader test is 3,000 before you could go pro and become a quote unquote funded trader. So I don't want it. If I go up over 1,500, then I have to go up higher overall to get my overall profit goal. So that's what that 1,500 is about. And I was fixated on the number, and I should have just stopped at 1,200, which would have put me up around 1,800 bucks. I think I was at. I'd have to look at the replay. Mikkel, you're trading with Take Profit Trader, or you just done for the day because you don't want to fucking make it any worse? Yeah, that sucked. Don't tell me it's going to come all the way back up here. Need VWAP to hold. It didn't exactly hit. Well, it did hit it right here. Need water. Oh, I can't believe this is going back up. What was it here? Let's see. 7 points. That's $560. Whatevs. Yeah, at least at least when you hit the daily loss limit, they don't nuke your account. They just don't let you trade for the rest of the day until the next day. If I hit the $1,100 daily loss limit here, like I'm done. I'd have to get a new test account, and I don't want to do that. I mean, I will, but I don't want to. I would like this to come back. Shit, when I hit that, I was actually back to being green. That's crazy. Fuck, that happened so quick. That was like so quick. I didn't even see it. I blinked my eye. Yeah, I'm getting better. This is an aberration. My Apex funded accounts are in great shape. Yeah, if 690 holds, I'd love to get back down to 690 before I get stopped out here. Op man, let's go back down to 690. I'll take 690. I don't think I'm going to get 690 before I give up on this trader. So it's 10, 480. 1060. I need more water. I'll be right back. I need water. I think take profit trader is end of day. Pretty sure. No, sorry. Sorry. Take profit trader is intraday. Intraday, my bad. I was thinking the top step. Fuck this 21. Fucking blow through that shit. I'll be right back. I gotta get water. Oh shit. 21 held. That fucking sucks. Just fucking dump. Uh, let's go. Give me a nice little flash dump here. Wishful thinking. Nah, no, oh no, 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 it's not like that. It's $2,000. So look, I'm only down 200. I'm only down 200. It's not like Apex where I was up 1,200. If I would have went 13 down 1,300, I would have gotten nuked because in that position, because I was up 1,200, I would have hit my trailing max drawdown. So it's better in that regard in terms of take profit trader. But I would like this to dump. Yeah, inversion. Oh, I haven't seen you. What's up, man? Inversionista, what's going on? It's difficult. Yeah, you missed it. I was up $1,200 in this take profit trader eval account today during the overnight. I was up $1,200 and now I'm down 240. So I have a $1,400 swing in this because of this trade. Even before this trade, I was up like $800. So I'm kind of annoyed. Kind of fell into some old habits, but I don't. Whatever. I don't even fucking care. Because I have my Apex accounts. All of these are up. I haven't traded in these yet today. I'm going to trade these during the regular hours. That's up 1753 through 4 days. This is up 1800 through 4 days. This is up 600 through 2 days, 552 through 2 days, and 759 through 2 days. But let me just make sure I didn't fucking accidentally put any orders in. Exit all positions. Yeah, I don't have any position. I know. Just making sure. Just making sure. Exit all positions and cancel. 57. I do this like multiple times throughout the day when I don't want to trade in the account anymore, just to make sure I didn't do anything stupid. Don't ask me what. Don't ask me why I would do something like that. I was up yeah. You shouldn't have left, man. It's your fault for leaving. I'm I'm almost back. I'm almost back up. Come on, just fucking keep dumping. We gonna fucking is it gonna bounce off the 34? Look, see, we rejected off of VWAP, which is awesome. I just need it to go all the way down here. Blow through the top orb. Wow, 20 people are watching right now. What's up, everyone? Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate you for hopping on the stream. I've been streaming basically since like 1 o'clock in the morning. Am I a full-time trader? No, but I work from home and I find myself trading more than I do my other stuff. I do online marketing. Oh shit. 34. Fuck, the 34 it's holding. Oh, I'm back green. I'm back green. Do I want to is it going to blow through the 34 and come all the way down here? That'd be amazing. I don't know if it will though. What I'm going to do here, because the 34 is always strong for a bounce, I'm just going to minimize the damage here. Oh, fuck. I don't want to minimize it yet. I'm such a fucking degenerate. Yeah, I want to minimize the damage here. Oh, too late. 34, man. You see that? 34 is so fucking strong. Is this going to go all the way back up? No way. Fuck you. What was I here? 1702. Damn. I don't know what to do. Do I ride this out? I don't know how. The 34 is a problem because the 34 is always, at this point, I mean, we haven't gotten back to the 34. This is the first time being back at the 34 in fucking what, a half hour? Of course there's going to be support. And sure enough, there it was on the 1 minute. Oh, keep going. Blow through the fucking 34. Come on. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Look at this. Oh, keep going. Oh, let's go. Keep fucking going. Turn into resistance, please. You know what? I'm just going to put this. Oh, my God. What the fuck was that about? Stupid algo candle. The fuck was that all about? Ooh, good thing I didn't put my stop in yet. I would have gotten taken out. I was literally about to say, I'm going to put this here just in case, blah, 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 minimize the damage. And then that happened. I almost fucking hit the button. That was some bullshit. I wonder how many people got fucked on that fucking algo flash, whatever that was. Like, I can live with a $400 loss. Yeah, I can live with that too. I'm fucking, I'm putting it right there. I don't care if I get taken out. Wow, what a, look at that. Fucking VWAP. VWAP. All right, we're basically at the top orb. We're at the top orb right here. Look at that. Is it going, is it coming down this far? 90, 50? Is it really going to do that? Dude, op man, bro, you called it. Is it happening? Do I give it room to fucking go down that low? That was crazy. It's gonna, holy fucking shit. No fucking way. I'm locking, I'm gonna, whatever happens, like, if it comes back to this, I don't even fucking care. Oh my God. It's fucking going to 90, bro. I think it's gonna go to 90 if I don't get stopped out here. Holy fuck. You guys watching this shit? Come on, keep going. Dump. Keep going. I don't care what happens. I feel so much better about everything right now. Oh, it's gonna take me out though. It's gonna take me out. Oh, it's not. Oh my God. Just fucking go. Hit that fucking lower VWAP band. Let's go. Hit it. That's fucking crazy. Keep going. Hit it. Op man, bro. You're my good luck charm. You called it. You fucking called it, bro. Dude, this is fucking crazy. Oh, what a fucking turn of events. Oh my God, take me out. Take me out. Oh, you see that? Op man, you're the man, bro. Yo, oh my God, I never thought that was gonna happen. So this one, oh my God, 400 on that, 125 on that, and then I lost a little bit on these, 155 on this, and 5 on that. What was I in, 5 or 4? I was in. It's still going down. Oh my God, I'm back at 1110. Greg, Greg, bro, you saw that? Oh, look. Oh my God. That was insane. Holy shit. Yeah, I'm done. I'm done. I can't believe that happened. That was the wildest shit ever. Dude, VWAP. Look at that. VWAP. Rejected off of VWAP. I got in another one at VWAP and it went all the way down to fucking the top orb. It blew back through the top orb, blew through the lower VWAP band. Amazing. Amazing. Hey, listen, Captain Price, it wasn't luck. This is exactly how I drew it up. Okay, I knew exactly what was going to happen. And I just wanted you. I did it for entertainment purposes. Okay. Oh, look at this bounce off the fucking lower VWAP band. Yeah, okay, 1000%. Yo, Op man, you're the man, bro. I literally put the sell order right above that level. Where did I have it at? 91. Were you in short, bro? That was the craziest shit. Yep. Yeah. In my trading journal, all I'm gonna say is I won the trade. Look at his bounce off the lower VWAP band. Oh my God. We rejecting off the top orb. Watch this. I'm gonna fuck around now. Oh, it's a 34. Not with 4. Fuck that. Oh, I didn't even get filled. That was weird. I guess I put it in before it happened. And we were gonna reject off this 34. The SMA. Look at that bounce. Let's see what happens. Now we're back on our regularly scheduled programming. Maybe not, but I don't fucking care. I know. If I was good, yeah, I would have gotten back, but I was thinking about not trading anymore. But yeah, literally, it bounced off the. I mean, yeah, we wicked down, but like it bounced off the lower VWAP band. I guess I'm still whatever. I'm not that good, bro. I'm average. I'm decent. I don't want to say I'm not good. I'm decent. I'm better than not good. Some of you guys are savages. I'm not there yet. I want to be a savage. I'm working towards being a savage, but I'm not quite there yet. Is it going to go all the way back up to VWAP? That'd be fucking crazy. Yeah, I mean, we could have blew through, like we did wick underneath that lower VWAP band. We could have went all the way back down to the lower orb. Totally possible for that to happen. Oh, that was 40 bucks. Ugh, that was too quick. Didn't even have a chance to put a stop in. But I like the fact that we were rejecting off the 34. We're going to stay rejecting off the 34. I'm such a degenerate. This is some real degenerate shit right here, guys. Oh no. Oh yeah. Fuck it. Oh. Oh. I'll take that. 70 bucks. Oh shit. Bro, op man. That analysis was fucking spot on. I hope, did you take a trade at least? Did you trade anything? Or you were just watching it happen? Because it, yeah, now I'm feeling good because I got it all back. Captain Price. That was some crazy shit. Oh my god. Are my eyes bleeding? I feel like my eyes are bleeding. That's okay. I've done that plenty of times, man. Sitting on hands. I lost count of how many times I sat on my hands. Look what I did here. Talk about sitting on hands. So look here. I got you. Well, I think you were here for that. We were at the bottom orb. I get filled in the bottom orb, knowing it's gonna bounce and fucking pop. I fucking raise my stop like a little bitch. Get 85 bucks, and then it runs another fucking. It literally ran 40 fucking points, and that's all I got from that. And then I had to fucking. And then I did this whole shit show that happened that I lucked out on. But if all I had to do was just hold this the whole time, and I would have fucking been done trading then. You know. Yes, Greg, 1000%. I'll take a winning trade that, however it came to be, was didn't make any sense, but I'll take it. The only thing that makes sense is that we rejected off of VWAP. But like my entries were awful, right? If I just took this trade because the top orb didn't have any, it just blew through the top orb like it wasn't even there. But the VWAP held. That was fucking crazy. Now we're back in the orb again. Just look at this. This shit's starting to get a little crazy. It's that time of day, right? Holy shit, that was pretty crazy. I'm so fucking happy right now. Uh, you guys all got to see that shit. You guys were starting to feel bad for me. Like, what an idiot. I told you that was going to happen. That was wild. Oh, look, now we're rejecting off the 34 again. No way. I got to go to sleep. I have to take my son to work. I have to take my son to work. He has to be there at 8, but it's like right around, it's like 3 minutes from here. I just have to drive out of my neighborhood and cross over the main road, and it's right there. And then I ran out of dry food for my dog, so I gotta, after I drop him off, I gotta take a ride to the dog food store and pick up a bag of food for my dogs, and then I'm gonna come back and hopefully sleep for another hour or so. Yeah, if you've ever, I've literally Captain Price. Don't try to find it in my streams, but I've literally nuked funded accounts. I've nuked two funded accounts during the live stream and a couple of evals easy. Last week for sure. I nuked two fucking funded accounts on the live stream. It was embarrassing, to say the least, you know. But whatever. This could have been, I mean, I wasn't gonna let myself um hit the daily loss limit. I had to stop in place to protect me from that happening, but man, it was close. Yeah, yeah, bro. I will I will not be denied. If not this account, it'll be the next one. I don't give a fuck. That's for sure. So let's see, where are we at? And now we're like in a spot like, I mean, yeah, the 34s are holding strong, but I could see this just blowing through it. This wants to go back up to VWAP, you know? I kind of like the chart without the moving averages on here. Like this stuff, I'm looking at, the stuff I like to trade, base my trades off of, VWAP, orb, the orb, and then pivot points. I like seeing only that stuff and not the fucking moving averages, because like this shit, I mean, I see like, look, we got some support here at the 200, but really, it's the top orb, and we're back over the top orb. All this stuff is just noise, as far as I'm concerned. But on the 1 minute, I love the 34. 34 is money. That's just how I've been looking at things. Yeah, like Captain Price, that trade right there, like the that didn't have to happen. Like I got lucky. It worked out. But man, that didn't have to happen. I should have fucking cut my losses a long time before I started adding fucking lots, adding contracts. I'm okay with adding one depending on like where the levels are at, but like that was stupid. And VWAP was my last ditch effort. Playing the rejection of VWAP, I added another one, and then fucking holy shit, it just came tumbling down. Here's a 34 holding strong. The 34 EMA is holding strong, and the SMA as well. I'm in my pajamas. For those of you who didn't, were fortunate, were not, weren't able to see them. They're my ho 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 pajamas. I will be in regular clothes during the stream tomorrow or later. But whatever. Gotta keep this train fucking moving. Well, it's fucking. No, I should be in bed sleeping right now. I don't care. I sh- I I popped on the stream just because I was trading. I wasn't expecting. I wasn't expecting this many people to come on. I think at the peak. Let me look at the analytics. This is pretty crazy. For even when it was at like 8 to 10 people, 8 to 10 people is nuts. The highest they got was, what is that? 22. Shit, it's pretty crazy. Oh, tactical, you still here or you came back? Tactical, did you see what just happened? You missed the craziest shit. Let's just say I was down like 1,300 fucking bucks in a position. Gave back all of my gains. Gave back literally all of them tactical. I'm sure you've done the same type of shit because we're very similar in that regard. And rejected off of VWAP. We came all the way up to VWAP and rejected there, and it dumped, and I got taken out for a profit, for a gain. And then I took another trade for like 50 bucks or whatever, and I'm pretty much back where I was at the top, like at my highest point. So here's the 34. We're gonna blow through it. Yo, Spencer, what's up, man? You got to see that too, dude. That's fucking crazy. You gonna come? You gonna come on? You gonna come on the stream later in the day? I'm gonna come back on. Um, for sure. At like probably like 11ish. Like I gotta like make sure the dogs eat, make sure I eat, and then I fucking hop on when I get all that situated. But anyway, yeah, man. Thanks for hanging out. Everybody that's been on here all this time, thank you for hanging out. If you're not a subscriber to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button because I will be streaming more. I'll stream I'll stream all the time. I mean, I don't know. I like to stream every day. I like to pop on at night because you never know who's on. But this is the craziest turn I've ever had streaming at night. Usually it's crickets. Maybe 3 or 4 people will pop on, say what's up, and then they bounce. But this was awesome. This was great hanging out with all you guys. And let me know, like, you see the little ticker at the bottom? Let me know if you think that's obnoxious. Yeah, obviously, I'm popping, pumping my coupon code for Take Profit Trader and Apex, but um, I I think it's better than me constantly like putting it in the chat. Like you can see it, like it's there. Soon 100s. No fucking way. Really? Today? Here's the top orb, holding strong. We're gonna bounce off the top orb. Yeah, I'm trying not to be too obnoxious with it. Obviously, like that's how, you know, if anyone ever wanted to support the channel, that's how you could do it. Is just if you ever get an eval or test account with Apex or Take Profit Trader, you throw my coupon code in there. I'll get a little something for it. Oh, hundreds of subs, yeah. I thought you were talking about the hundreds on the NQ. If we go down to the hundreds, that's gonna be like epic. Yeah, yeah, that's the goal. I mean, I only have 216 subscribers, so I wanna have 2,160. My goal is to I'm not I'm looking to grow this thing. Definitely looking to grow this thing. I mean, it's growing pretty. It's growing pretty quick. Like I don't know. I had 197 subscribers on Sunday, so I'm getting like 5 a day now. The Vegeta, who's that? Vegeta? Let me look on YouTube. Is that a YouTube? Is that a guy on YouTube? Oh, oh, my bad. Oh, it's some anime stuff. I'm looking at it right now. Foghorn. That's just funny. Foghorn Leghorn just talked him to death. If you guys remember Foghorn Leghorn, he just would be like, I said, I said, I said, and he just would just not shut the fuck up. Yeah, anime Dragon Ball. Oh, I have the same head. Oh yeah. That's it used to be more you know, it used to be more rounded. It used to come like it used to be here, and come around. But I had 4 kids. I have 4 kids, dogs, crazy shit happening, and you know, family members dying, friends dying. That'll fucking eat away at your hairline. I'm sure a lot of it had to do with fucking learning how to trade fucking the NQ in the last 6 months. Probably lost a little bit more from that. But yeah, uh, tired screen. Where are we at here? 34 holding. Oh, it's starting to get crazy. It's 7 o'clock. Fuck, it's 4 o'clock. Yeah, all right, Spencer. Thanks, man. Oh shit. Yeah, I'll talk to you soon, Spencer. Thanks again for hanging out. Yeah. Yeah, I definitely have more grays. Bro, Michael, dude, don't even I can't, man. I'm so fucking tired. I do want to get this. I really want to get this closer to 1500 though. But now we're starting to move like crazy. Now we're kind of just in no man's land again. There's the top orb. Oh, the Q's gonna start. Is the Q? Oh, the Q's gonna start moving around? Not yet. The Q's aren't gonna open until like what 9:30. I mean 9 o'clock. They start. Wow, what a move! Oh, look at that, gross. Dude, I'm shocked. I've done it before. I mean, I should just stream all day and not even eat. Imagine that, just go on a fucking like 12-hour stream. My wife would kill me. Left for 10 minutes, you made it all back. Dude, bro, look at this. It 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 came up to VWAP and I was still in the trade. I got one more. I got filled for one more VWAP. So I had four and it rejected and came all the way back down. So look, so that was the one I got filled at VWAP for 395. And then this other one I got filled at, I forgot where, the top orb or some shit. Got 125 on that, and then I lost only $5 on this one and 155 on that. So I netted at 160, 35. I netted like $420 on the trade. So, and then I made another little trade here, got 70. So I'm literally back near my high a day, which is fucking crazy. Money, what's up, man? Were you on before? Did you actually go to sleep? You took a nap and came back on, didn't you? Yeah, bullpen. Was fucking crazy. I was at peace with the fact that I was gonna get stopped out and just be done trading, take profit trader for the day and still have the account. And then that happened and I was like, holy shit. Even the 34 didn't really hold. It bounced off the 34 once and the 34 didn't even hold on the 1 minute when it usually does. And it hasn't even been at the 34 for a while. It bounced off of it a couple times and then just dumped through it. It was craziest. It was the craziest shit ever. Bro, just one more trade. You want me to make one more trade? I'll fucking make another trade. I just don't know. I don't really love where we're at right now. Top orb, rejection off the top orb again. No, I mean, it's moving around crazy now. Maybe at VWAP. Oh, this battery's dying. That was some crazy shit, though. earbuds. Sorry about that. How long was it like that? My earbuds were bent. I'm using these shitty Apple earbuds. 5 minutes? Fuck. Are you serious? Was it really that long? Probably since I plugged in my other Mac. Well, anyway, what I was saying to Op Man is, since you couldn't hear me, was he's saying the range is 690 to 710. Well, 710 is VWAP, and 690 is the lower VWAP band. You still can't hear? Maybe that's my. I gotta get a real mic. I definitely gotta work on getting an actual mic. I'm gonna try these again. They were bent. It was bent like crazy. I hear it. I hear me. Let's see if it's working again. Yeah. Yeah, they were bent like crazy. Because I have two laptops. I have my work laptop when I'm watching the stream, when I'm watching the chat with, and then I have the laptop that you're seeing me stream from. So I'll say it again. If for those who didn't hear me, Opman said, we're in range between 690 and 710. 710 is right here. That's VWAP. 690 is the lower VWAP band. So it makes sense to me. Is that what you're going off of, Opman, or it's just based on you just doing some charting? Huh. Look at that fucking bounce off the 34. 5 points. Okay. Very cool. Yeah, so you basically charted the fucking VWAP. You charted VWAP and the lower VWAP band. Yeah, we're just fucking chilling in the same spot. Look at this. Chop, 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 chop. Yeah, thanks, Inversionista. Appreciate you for letting me know, and Greg for also telling me. Oh, I missed it. I missed it. Now I'm scared because it's going to blow through it. Fuck that. Yeah. Fucking Jerome. Nice bounce. Off the 34 again. 4 points already. 5 points. Damn, I wish I got filled. I needed it to come back down. I think it did come back down after I got out, after I exited the order. I would have taken that. I do want to take this one last trade. One more trade. Play this fucking VWAP rejection. I have a feeling though, like we're chopping so much here, it would finally fucking break out. We might blow through VWAP. No, can't even hold this shit. But that would have been a 6 point move if you got filled, almost 7 point move from the 34. The 34 is amazing. The EMA and the SMA, you want them both on there. Oh shit. Uh-oh. Getting close to getting filled here. Here's VWAP. Didn't get filled. Am I not going to get filled? I'm filled. Let's see if it holds. I think what he's talking about, Greg, is oh, see, I should have fucking not have taken the trade. I said it. I was like, it's gonna fucking, it's trying. Once it breaks out, it's probably gonna blow through fucking VWAP. Even though I had the order there, I did say that. I think what he's talking about is like, there's no like fucking CPI or you know FOMC meeting or anything like that. Oh shit, I'm fucking green. Lower VWAP. VWAP is holding strong. Let me fucking lock this in. Let me lock this in. Oh no. Locking it in. Another $60. My goal for 2024 is with actual money being withdrawn. I want to get to the point where I'm pulling out like 20, 30 grand a month. So, um, minimum. I want this shit to, cover my nut. And that's, oh, look, it's still going down. Shocker. Shocker. I move my stop and then it goes down more. Another 6 points. Fucking amazing. Oh my God. So glad I fucking took my 3 points worth just for it to go down another 8 or 10. Fucking A. Let's play the fucking top orb. We getting a bounce on the top orb? No? Maybe. Some real Degen shit right here. Thank God for the 3 points I got. And it's down another fucking 13. Just gotta fucking hold, man. I should know better. I just witnessed, didn't we all just witness what happened when it hit VWAP before? Top orb is weak. Let's go, you fuck. $34. Boom. $90. All right. Now I'm done. Can I be done now, guys? Can I go? All right. I think my Apex update video just went live. Let me see. Did it go live? Let's see. Not that it matters because I told you guys what I did in Apex yesterday, where it's at. Nice little, I wouldn't say that's clickbait, but yeah, it just, oh, 35 minutes ago, it has no views. I find that hard to believe. No. I can't see on this. I'll look here. I was just curious if anybody was watching it yet. I I set it to publish. I scheduled the public like I scheduled it instead of just publishing it. Yeah, nothing yet. Oh, we're gonna bounce off the top orb again. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, guys. I agree. I should be dismissed. My work is done here. Oh man. Oh, this shit is so small. There we go. That must be much better. I was on like 60%. What a bounce off the top orb. Fucking crazy. All right, guys. I'm going to call it a night, a day. I will be streaming later, though. It was really cool hanging out with everyone. Thank you for hanging out. Wow. Top orb bounce. 7 points. But yeah, it was cool hanging out with everybody. Glad I was able to make it out the other end of that other trade. Finishing up
finishing up and take profit trade at 13.15, and then I guess during the day I'll be trading my Apex trader funding accounts. Appreciate you guys for hanging out and coming on the stream. I will talk to you guys soon. Enjoy the rest of your day.